I'll give you a few examples of some common problems. Sometimes the key is the problem. Sometimes the ignition lock itself is the problem. It kind of depends. Call an automotive professional or automotive locksmith. They will definitely be able to help you out because we see this all the time and we can identify what is the source of the problem. But I'll give you some examples of some common ones. Hondas, all Hondas that have a keyed ignition. So if you use a key to start the vehicle, those keys should be replaced every couple of years. What happens is the key starts to wear down and the track that the pins inside of the lock ride on slip off of it. And then you turn the key and they get bent. And now the lock is damaged. The lock will not turn. No key will turn it. It needs to be repinned. Okay. So that's a common issue with Hondas. Most automotive locksmiths are equipped to deal with that. We remove the lock, take the old pins out, put new pins in, cut you a new key, problem solved. Okay, so that's Honda. Nissan. If you have a Nissan and your key stops turning in the ignition, normally the ignition lock is not the problem, your key is. And again, this is a worn key problem. So keys that get worn over the years need to be replaced. Nissans, the locks just chew up those keys. They wear down the teeth on the key so much that eventually the key will stop turning in the ignition. The solution for that, get a new key. Basically, just take the vehicle or have a locksmith come to the vehicle's location. They will code cut you a brand new key, and voila, it's going to work perfectly. Problem solved. Another common issue is Volkswagens. Volkswagen ignition locks fail all the time. It's because they're basically over-engineered, for lack of a better description. And essentially what happens is a little piece inside fails. The key is not the problem. The lock is. That lock either needs to be replaced or we do a repair where we will take the lock apart, remove the broken pieces, and put it back together, and voila, you're good to go. GM locks, older GM vehicles, the type of lock that they use fails commonly as well. It's called a sidebar failure. Basically, that is a lock replacement situation. Again, different situations for different types of locks. Sometimes the ignition lock itself needs to be replaced. Sometimes only the key needs to be replaced. Sometimes the ignition can be repaired. So it depends on why it won't turn, but those are the common reasons.